Fatsia japonica information. Fatsia japonica, also known as Japanese Aralia or glossy-leaved paper plant, is a species of flowering plant in the Araliaceae family. It is native to Japan, Korea, and Taiwan, and is commonly grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and indoor spaces. The plant typically grows to a height of 1 to 2 meters, with large, shiny, dark green leaves that can reach up to 30 centimeters in diameter. The leaves are palmately lobed with 7 to 9 lobes, and have a distinctive, almost tropical appearance. The plant produces small, white, or cream-colored flowers in late autumn or early winter, followed by black berries. Fatsia japonica is a relatively easy plant to care for, and can be grown in a variety of conditions. It prefers partial to full shade, and moist, well-drained soil. It can tolerate a range of temperatures, but is generally not frost-hardy. The plant can also be propagated through cuttings or by dividing the root ball. In addition to its ornamental value, Fatsia japonica has been used in traditional medicine in Japan and Korea, where it is believed to have anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and antiviral properties. However, further research is needed to fully understand its potential medicinal benefits.